What's up, pancake swap holders? So what's going on this time, my friend? As you can see here, the pancake swap pump. Absolutely, this is temporary, but I hope, my friends, so they will give you a very huge profit in the last of this year. What's going on? This is very important for all holders to understand now to be safe from loss, especially short-term investor. This is very risky time, my friend, for all of you know, because the long-term investor is definitely alert and they are completely starting selling because some holders invest for 1 year, for 2 year, for 5 year. So definitely long-term investors are also decide to starting selling because in those days, my friends, very good chance to you will get a profit now. All right, so we will talk about, my friend, the next pump, and also we will predicate this going to an upcoming time. Can they will give you a profit? Can the price will pumps up or dumps down? So that is very important for all of you to watch this video. But please, if you are new to my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. All right, the market cap, my friend. First of all, if we check out the market cap of this time, as you can see, your pancake swap is 2.10% increasing. The fully diluted market cap 1.94% increasing. But if you check out the volume is 37.43% decreasing. Don't worry, this is temporary, my friend. I hope they will again pumps up and the price will be increasing. Now you can see, my friend, the price is 2.04% in last 24 hour, increasing in 13 USD dollar, as you can see at the pancake swap price. But if we check out, my friend, the chart results, so this is completely dumps down, my friend. You can see the resistance line is very badly. You can see they were dumps down. All is complete, especially a lot of holders are doing this mistake. When they see, my friend, is temporary for dump, absolutely they are starting selling. So don't worry, this is temporary dump. I hope after a short time they will again pumps up, but you will never need, my friend, to starting selling. Alright, so thanks for watching, my all coin holders. Please, pancake swap holders, don't do any mistake to starting selling. You will need to wait for the end of this year. I hope they will give you a double to triple profit. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.